Hi friends, in this video let us solve a signal system related question asked in GATE 2006 EC paper. The question is, in the system shown below, x of t is equal to sin t of t. In the steady state, the response y of t will be dash. The x of t is given and h of t is given. What is y of t? So this is h of t. So what is h of t? Sorry, h of s, not t. H of s transfer function is given 1 by s plus 1. Whenever you want to find y from the h and the x, what you have to do, you find the frequency response. So h of omega is equal to, substitute s is equal to j omega, right? So what is modulus magnitude? Magnitude of transfer function is, sorry, frequency response is omega squared plus 1, right? So first thing, right? And what is phase of h of omega? Phase is nothing but tan inverse of minus tan inverse of v by a, omega by 1. Say from question we know input what is omega? Omega is equal to 1. So substitute omega is equal to 1. So magnitude will become 1 by root 2 and phase become tan inverse of 1 by 1, 45 degrees. So minus 45 degree. So when input is given, what is my input? It is sin t. So it is passing through a LTIC system with magnitude 1 by root 2 and phase minus 45 degree. What will happen? In output, magnitude will be multiplied 1 by root 2. Sin phase will be changed to 45 degree, pi by 4. So root 2 sin t minus pi by 4. 1 by root 2 sin t minus pi by 4. So the option A is the right answer. Thank you.